Let us talk about the story of a woman in Democratic Republic of Congo. This is the story of Julia entitled Transformative Internship. Julia could not refuse the opportunity. She was a journalism student when a friend told her that Adventist World Radio, or AWR, was looking for an intern in Kinshasa, Democratic Republic of Congo. She accepted the opportunity and was taken in as an intern for 9 months, where she recorded programs and helped run the radio station. In her work, Julia was surprised by the radio programs. She was not an Adventist and knew little about it. However, she was touched by the prayers and messages she heard, especially when she was prayed for. She learned that prayer is like talking to a friend, Jesus. Julia was also drawn to the sermons and music and later became a co-host of the program Women of Value, where they discussed living according to biblical principles. After her internship, Julia was baptized and became a member of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. She was very happy because her life was transformed through the radio. After finishing her studies, she became the director of the radio station. Julia prayed that her talents would be used to help others come to know Jesus. Today, the radio continues to broadcast programs about education, family, and other issues. Julia feels happy whenever she hears that many people have been helped by their programs. The 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will help build a new media center so that more people in Africa can be reached through the message of the radio. Thank you very much for your planned and generous offering.